Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to add pinned elements onto WIX Studio. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we get started, we're going to have a look at the new WIX Studio editor and just work our way around it. So on our right side here we have a toolbar. So this will be important for the pinned elements. And of course on the left side here we have our layers. So that'll just be any section, and it'll just be easier to navigate different sections of that particular area. So just to get started, all you would need to do is click on the add elements. Now what's great about the pin elements is that you can have it for anything. So it could be for images, titles, containers, buttons, shapes, you name it, it'll be there. So we'll use a button for an example. Now these pin elements are particularly great, especially if you're wanting someone to contact you and have it follow you for the entire site, or have a contact form attached to it. But anyway, it's as simple as opening up the toolbar on the right side. Then all you need to do is scroll down until you see position. You'll see that the position type is default. Select default and you'll be able to select the pinned element. And once that is pinned, you'll see that it'll say pinned here. Now you want to make sure that the pin to section isn't, or the pin to, sorry, isn't on section, but to the actual page itself. So you can see that that has changed. So if I click off it, you'll see now that this is a floating button on the page itself. You can see that it's moving up and down. It's not attached to this specific element. So now if I go and I'll add a couple of sections here just to create that scroller effect. I'll go ahead and preview this specific page. And you can see now that every time we scroll down, this very button follows us. Now, just to show you that this will work, if I go onto the toolbar and select a default position and click on preview, you'll see that it's now attached to this section, and when I scroll down, that'll just stay. Now, as I said, this will work for any other elements. So if I select for a shape, so if I want to have a shape right in the middle, so here we have almost like a clover looking thing. Go ahead and open up the toolbar, again select the position type to pinned, and we'll select the page, and you can see now that wherever you leave it, it'll just follow you. Now there is also a different type of element that is now featured for WIX Studio. So if I open up the elements section here, and I'll open up the layout tools, I'll check out the accordion. And now this is great, especially if you want like a little sidebar for your website. So you'll normally have these on product pages, so we can just adjust that here. Now say you want it within a specific section, so this is where the layers come in handy. So I'll just select that and then just increase the height by 1200. So that's now increased the height of this. Now if I want to just have this scroll up and down within a section, select on the item that you want. Again, open up the toolbar, scroll down and select the position. And again, select the position type to sticky. You'll also get a little preview on what sticky looks like. So you can see how that's scrolling down and it's moved from one section, and then once that's touched the bottom of that section, it completely stops showing this specific element. So we'll go ahead and click on sticky. Want to make sure that it is on top. You can also have it on the bottom or bottom and top. Now if we go ahead and preview it, as soon as we hit the top of this, it'll start scrolling down. You can see that it's currently scrolling down and it stops within this line, so that imaginary line would be a new section, and that's when it'll disappear. So that pretty much reaches the end of the tutorial. You can see how easy it is to add these specific features on Wix. Now, if you guys want to learn more about Wix Studio, let us know in the comment section below, and we'd be happy to create more videos on it. Now, if you did find this video helpful, let us know as well in the comment section below. But other than that, guys, I'll see you for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.